Sorry guys, I was on mute. So let's start this trading session. So good morning guys, welcome to our live intraday trading session. So today is the day 4 of the challenge and we are aiming to convert 15,000 capital to 1 lakh. So let's start the journey. So let me check whether I am live or not. So I am live. So let's understand the market, what market is trying to do from here and how should we play it on the market itself. So if we look at the market, so market has given a breakdown from the parallel channel which we were talking about. I have not made the videos on analysis because I was quite busy the last 2 days. So if we look at the chart, so chart has given a breakdown, but previously there was a support near 18,668 area. So this could act as a support. So that's why we have exited the short here. And if we look the mid cap index, so mid cap index is one of the reason why Nifty has fallen today. And Bank Nifty hasn't fallen much. So Bank Nifty is much more stronger than Nifty because of the mid cap index. So there is a top formation on the mid cap index. So and this was a very steep rally. So that's why if we give a breakdown from this trend line, then our next support will be around 34,550. So this could act as a support on mid cap index, or this trend line could act as a support for mid cap index. So these are the two supports for mid cap index, and we have one resistance near 35,720. So now we'll go into the 5 minutes time frame and look at the how the market is performing and how we should take a trade from here. So if you look at the market, so market has taken a support near 18,650 area. So we need to make a little channel there. So this is the support area of Nifty. If it breaks this area, then we'll go for short. Otherwise, we'll still wait for the market to re-enter, or we'll wait for the market to consolidate a bit and go for a buying position by the end of the day. So let's see. So mid cap index has taken a support for a while at the area, and it has re-entered into the trend line. So we'll wait for the mid cap index to show some reversal from here, then we'll go for short if you want. But that could be a scalp trade just by itself. Let's look at the open interest. So open interest, the PCR is around 0.81. It's quite bearish bias still. Once it starts getting above 0.9 and around 1, then we'll look for buying by looking at the market condition. Because this dip could act as a buying area for bigger players. So that's why we will be open to our levels and as well as positions. So right now we are seeing a significant buying in the market, but it could be a dead bounce as well. So don't get trapped on it. So right now we are seeing a significant buying in the market, but it could be a dead bounce as well. So don't get trapped on it. Even the CNX mid cap has quite a recovered now. So it has again went above 35,000. So we have closed our shorts here. So we are not waiting for more shorts. If we will take any short position or any PE position on the buying side, then we'll do just scalp trading. So that's why I told not to enter into this dead bounce. If the market tries to consolidate and tries to go above 18,700 area, then you could look for buying area. Till the time we'll wait. So guys, don't take any position here. Both as well as for Nifty as well as for C position as well as for B position. Don't take any position. Just wait for the market to respond in a way where it is going to show momentum. So now market is trying to get momentum on the buying side, and this could be a buying area. So placing the stop loss near below 18,700, I will take a buy call. We'll wait for this candle to end, then we'll take a position. So it has kind of formed a bullish hammer candle, or it could be acting as a hanging man. So I'm waiting for the candle to give a confirmation, or at least to move on a side where it could. So, so I let's So this is a trade. We are not targeting around 40. We are just targeting around 20 points. But market needs to sustain about 18,700. I feel this is more of kind of acting as a hanging man rather than a bullish hammer. Let's see what we still have around more than 2 minutes. If we somehow stay above this time, if we somehow stay above 18,700 now, so we'll try to win some points above 18,700. Then it's a kind of a bit risky trade, but we have small stop loss, so that's fine. So I feel the Nifty is not trying to break 18,700 in this candle, so we would break 18,700. So I feel that I should exit from this trade. Let's look at the CNX also at 15 minutes time. If CNX midcap takes support here, which is around 34,950 area, then we will see Nifty to be recovering up and going to our target area. Even the bank has recovered quite. It has went up 46,711. So it has given a confirmation to the hanging man. So I will most probably exit from this trade. So it was kind of a risky trade. But still we haven't crossed our stop loss, which is around 18,650. So we have exited this trade. So there was this bullish hammer formation, and so the other candle should have ended in a green or above these candles, but it has ended below it. So that's why we closed our position, because we know that if it gives confirmation to this candle on the negative side, then it will eventually go down. So that's why we exited before itself going down. We'll wait for the market to show a good move. I feel now it needs more time to consolidate until unless it gives it stays above 18,700 for 15 minutes. Then it's kind of at a recovery. It will be kind of at a recovery phase. Then we'll go for a long on with a good position. If you look at the open interest, the PCR is still around 18, 0.83. We have significant support. We did had significant support. So this is the beautiful chart for USD INR. If anyone wants to take on USD INR, we can make a quite handsome profit on USD INR. If it goes below this support, because we haven't seen a significant area for USD INR. Let's continue to look at Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty sustains above 43,700, then that could be a nice area for buying. But till the time, if Bank Nifty remains below 43,700, then it's still on a weak side. So now I'm waiting for to take trade on USD INR. I think we'll see more consolidation in this area till the time it sustains above 18,700. Then we could look for buying opportunity. Till the time the market will remain in a range. Either this could be a range. So this could be a range. This and this are lines should be. So market will try to consolidate into this area and then eventually try to either give a breakout or will try to give a breakdown. So from this range, so we'll wait for the market and we have a nice trade on USD INR, but it should show a significant momentum. CNX mid cap should also sustain above 35,000. Then overall the market health will be a good. But in the time CNX mid cap looks like that it has formed a top, so it may take a time for CNX market to recover from here. And I don't think that peoples will enter into CNX markets by positions. So that could eventually result in consolidation. If some of the stocks like Reliance tries to lift or STSC tries to lift, or some kind of banks, or even IT, but it looks like that IT is also not looking good. So this is why I was talking about with Bank Nifty 43,700 area. And if we go into the early time frame, so we have a support at 43,700 area on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty may try to lift Nifty. So let me show you the parallel channel which we are in Bank Nifty. So I feel this is the kind of parallel channel which we are in a Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty has given a formation of a bullish hammer. So this is kind of a bullish hammer candle, and if Bank Nifty tries to give confirmation to this bullish hammer, then we have successfully re-entered into the parallel channel, and we could look for buying on Bank Nifty then. And our targets will be simpler 43,009 till 43,900. Then our next target will be around 44,150. But let's see. So Nifty is again trying to go above 18,700 area, but it needs to sustain that. If it consolidates above 18,700 for 50, at least for 15 minutes, then it will be a good opportunity to go for the long position. Let's see. So there is this formation, good formation on USD INR. July future. So there is a quite a consolidation, and USD INR is in the triangle itself. So either if we break down this triangle from here, then we could see a quite nice momentum, or we should try to break this trend line on the upside. Then we will see a nice upside momentum on USD INR. So Nifty needs to consolidate more around 10 minutes above 18,700 area. Then we could take a trade after that. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment or in the live chat, whatever you prefer. So Nifty has formed a inverted hammer candle, and this candle is a sign of a bullish. If we get a confirmation to this inverted hammer, then there will be a significant upside on Nifty around 10 to 20 points. Market will face tough time to cross 18,750 area because this is the high of 2 days. But if the momentum is very strong, then we could easily cross it. Even the CNX mid cap is quite recovering a bit. Let's see. We don't have much momentum on USD INR. See, this is what inverted hammer eventually results. So Saurav is asking, is this good level to buy Wipro or IT stocks? So let's see the levels of Wipro as well as IT stocks. If you know that Wipro has a very good support at 380 area, but so right now Wipro is in a channel of parallel channel. So and I feel that we are near to the support of parallel channel on Wipro. So this is the parallel channel in which Wipro is right now. So Wipro has a resistance of 408 and the support is quite low, but I don't feel that we might go there on Wipro and we could eventually take a support of 380 area and will break the resistance. So I feel this is a very quite good zone. So 380 to 350 area is a very good zone to buy for Wipro because if it eventually gives a breakout, then its previous all-time high is around 723. So we could at least if you keep a target moderate, then we could at least go to 600 area. So accumulating at this area is a quite a good decision. Will be a quite a good decision. And if we look at the CNX IT. So CNX IT is also in a parallel channel. And I feel it is facing a resistance to the previous parallel channel which it was in it, as well as it is facing the resistance of 50 DMA. So if CNX IT goes above 50 DMA, then we could eventually enter into this parallel channel and probably probably will break. So this consolidation is a very good time to buy on IT stocks. So I will prefer to buy at IT stocks at this level because the difference in the high and the price, right, the current price it is now is much greater. So you could consider it as a good buying zone. And we are still about 200 EMA, so 200 weekly moving average. So there isn't anything to panic on IT stocks. So IT stocks are very good buying zone. So I hope I have answered your question, Saurav. So let's again look at the Nifty. So you could make this small trend line, but it's very steep. So eventually we are getting the three candles which we are on a 5 minutes time frame. So which we talked about that if it stays above 15,700, then this could be a nice good area to buy for Nifty. As well as Bank Nifty is also supporting Nifty, and even if you look at the Nifty mid cap index, it is also kind of looking strong and it is trying to get above 35,000. Nifty should again come to the area of 18,700, then we'll look for buying because the stop loss, if we look for buying at the current price, then the stop loss would be very high, around more than 26 points, and our target won't be high enough. So the risk reward ratio doesn't favor much. So instead of taking a low risk and reward trade, we'll wait for the nicer trade. Nifty will try to test again in this area. Don't worry, don't get panicked that you have missed the support. Even before it has went to around 80,000 to 730 area. Then again it came near to 18,700 area. Then we can look for buying. I feel the more the market consolidates, the better it will be for the market. Because if market will rise up quite fast, then this could again and pretty bad, so we will again see some fall, then again the market will try to go above and so we are almost near to take a trade now. Now we'll go into strike frame. If we look at the way Nifty is trying to go, there is a decrease in the momentum of Nifty. The way it is trying to fall, I feel it will again try to come near 18,700 area. And if it does come to 18,700 area, then you can look for buying. Let's see. It's 706. We just want here. We'll take different trade now. If 17. Or I will take a message. The market is showing now a bounce, so I think I should enter into this trade. Should I not? If this candle ends bullish hammer, then I will change my target. So you can take a small scalp trade. Yeah, if this candle ends remains in a green and remains in a bullish hammer position, so we still have a 1 minute. So let's hope that it ends in a green. Or even if the body is really small, then you can go into this trade, keeping the stop loss below the tail of this candle and keeping our target to be around 18,750. The target we won't keep much high, 18,745. So this could be our target. So eventually it doesn't have ended in a green. It has ended in a red. So this trade is not active now. So even the CNX midcap is trying to consolidate above its support area. Let's see. So this is again a formation of a good candle, and you could see that there is a decrease in the selling if we continuously form this kind of candles. Then if it fails this time to form a green candle, then we could test the support of 18,700 or can break 18,700. So let's see. Because eventually what will happen that there won't be a significant buying at this level, then eventually it will move down. Yeah, again, so there could be a momentum on the downside. And now again we will test 18,700. So Rishi Singade is saying you are the best trader. Let's go into 1 minute time frame and see the current informations. So we are almost close to break 18,700 area because the market is not able to see significant buying, and we may also break the support. Let's go into the 15 minutes time frame. So there is a bearish hammer harami candle formation on 15 minutes candle of CNX mid cap. So why we are looking at the mid cap? Because mid cap is driving the market on the downside. That's why. So we are below 17,000, 18,700. So let's see if it sustains above 700 this time. Then you could look for buying position on Nifty. So it looks like that it is not able to hold, but let's see. There are some tail formation now, and it could result in a green candle. But if it doesn't, then again we'll see again some fall. So now you could take a trade and take a trade with a tight stop loss. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. We want this green candle formation though. Otherwise, the market now I think will try to test it 10,750 area. If it gives a break, if it comes below the area. At the time, if Bank Nifty tries to sustains into the safe, yeah, we are into the safe zone. But also one more thing we need to look at it is yeah, we are given a breakdown. I feel don't take any BS trade for now. Sorry, bull trade for now. But if it could make a parallel channel. So there could be a support area below 100 points. So it's not a go for long. Right now, I'll play a song for you guys. So till the time market consolidates, I will play a song for you guys. I will play a song for you guys. I will play a song for you guys.
forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you went down whatever. Bad and done together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know, you know, don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you went down whatever, ever, ever, ever. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know, you know,
Mm.